Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can customize notification settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. Here you will see notifications. Okay, notifications icons are showing. Three most reasons are showing now. If you want to customize this notification settings, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to notifications option, and here you should select advanced settings. Then here click on show notifications icon, just click that, and by default it is set to three most recent. So three most recent notifications are showing in the status bar of your phone. Okay, if you would like to set it to all notifications, what are the notifications you have received, all icons will be showing there in this status bar. See here the changes. Okay, if you would like to set number of notifications only, that means how many notifications you have received, that number is displayed here. Okay, instead of notifications, each icon of each notification, just total number of notifications, how much notifications you have received, that is showing here. Okay, suppose if you want to show nothing in the status bar for notification, there will be no icon in your phone. If you select none, see here, no notifications will be showing in the status bar. In this way you can easily customize notification settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.